Hey, how you doing? Today's project was an FU tone hardware and block overhaul on a Masterbuilt Charvel that has a zebra wood top, an alder back, and of course on maple neck. We replaced the block and hardware with a brass claw, noiseless springs, a trem-stopper, a 37mm big block, stainless hardware, and titanium string inserts. Let's hear the difference. Okay, FU tone test before. After. You'll have to excuse the guitar owner's chirping bird in the background, but you can still tell it's a pretty drastic difference adding the block, and the hardware just looks really cool in addition to being extremely functional. But FU tone blocks and hardware are standard on all J-Hale guitars, so it comes like that out of the box. You don't have to upgrade it later. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this little test. Please shop jhaleguitars.bigcartel.com. Grab the like button, grab the subscribe button, and we'll be back with some more cool guitar stuff really soon. Talk to you later.